Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're a dropshipper or someone considering starting a dropshipping business, you've probably heard a lot about the environmental impact of e-commerce and what it's creating. And with more consumers looking for sustainable products and brands, it's become increasingly important for business owners like you that are looking to start and grow their business to take sustainability into account, especially when sourcing products. Today we're going to dive into sustainable dropshipping, what it is, why it's essential, and how you can source eco-friendly products for your dropshipping store. So grab your notebook because we're about to make your dropshipping business both profitable and environmentally conscious at the same time using this strategy and outline. What is sustainable dropshipping? Firstly, let's break down what sustainable dropshipping actually means. Well, in simple terms, it's the practice of running your dropshipping business in a way that's environmentally conscious. This means focusing on eco-friendly product sourcing, reducing waste in your supply chain, and ensuring that your operations are as green as possible across your entire business. Traditional dropshipping often involves manufacturers or suppliers who may not prioritize eco-friendly materials or processes in their daily operations. But with sustainable dropshipping, you're making deliberate choices to source eco-friendly products, use responsible packaging, and work with suppliers who value sustainability as much as you do. Now, why should you care about sustainable dropshipping? You may be wondering why that is important to your business, especially if you're starting out. Well, let me tell you a number of compelling reasons that will convince you. 1, consumer demand. Consumers today are more eco-conscious than ever. A growing number of people across a lot of communities are wanting to buy from businesses solely that align with their values, particularly when it comes to sustainability. In fact, a survey from Nielsen showed that 66% of global consumers are willing to spend more on products from brands that are committed to positive environmental impact. Brand loyalty is another reason. It isn't just a trend, it's a movement. When you build your dropshipping business around sustainable practices, you'll attract customers who are passionate about making responsible choices for the earth and environment. This can lead to long-term brand loyalty and stronger connections with your audience, which in turn means repeat customers on autopilot who will buy from you time and time again. You're going to stand out in a crowded market. Let's face it, e-commerce is competitive and saturated, and dropshipping is no different. In fact, it's worse. Focusing on sustainability can give your dropshipping brand a unique selling point. By offering eco-friendly products, you can stand out from other dropshippers who may not be prioritizing sustainability in their operations. Larger profit margins. People who are selling sustainable items with a focus on the environment get larger profits because their customers are willing to pay extra to support the environment. It is a global movement that we all know that people are moving more and more towards. You can expect from this an average of 20 to 30% extra profit margin on this as people are willing to pay the additional costs of this, and they're more than happy to pay that because of the higher perceived value, because you're contributing back to the environment. How to source eco-friendly products for your dropshipping business. All right, so now you know why sustainable dropshipping is important, but how do you actually source eco-friendly products for your store, especially in the beginning? Let's break it down step by step so it's a lot easier. Step 1, choose sustainable product categories. Start by selecting product categories that align with your sustainability. Some great eco-friendly product categories can include reusable products like a water bottle, for example, shopping bags, and straws. There's also things like organic beauty products, such as skincare and cosmetics that are trending, but with a focus on eco-friendly and ethically sourced items. Eco-friendly home goods like bamboo toothbrushes, biodegradable cleaners, and natural air purifiers are also very popular too. Sustainable fashion such as clothing made from organic cotton or recycled materials, zero-waste products including compostable or recyclable items. Once you've selected your categories, start researching suppliers who are committed to eco-friendly practices. Look for products made from natural, organic, or recycled materials that have minimal impact on the environment. Step 2, Find eco-conscious suppliers. Finding the right supplier is the key to making your dropshipping business sustainable over the long term. Here are a few ways to ensure your suppliers align with eco-friendly standards. Use dropshipping platforms that offer eco-friendly products. For example, platforms like AliExpress or Spocket have suppliers who offer eco-friendly options. You can filter products based on sustainability criteria or choose suppliers with certifications such as fair trade, organic, recyclable materials. Check supplier sustainability practices. Always research your suppliers thoroughly. Look for companies that use ethical production methods, sustainable packaging, and green shipping options. Don't be afraid to ask them questions about their sustainability practices, like how they minimize waste or whether their products are biodegradable are important questions. Certifications matter. Some certifications to look for are, for example, the Fair Trade Certified, B Corp, Global Organic Textile Standards, GOTS, the Forest Stewardship Council, the FSC, the Cradle to Cradle Certified are some examples of certifications. Now, these certifications guarantee the products are ethically sourced and manufactured with sustainability in mind. Now, it may not seem it, but people do pay attention to these. It helps boost conversion rates and are great for marketing to stand out in the crowd, which will naturally boost revenue. Step 3, focus on packaging and shipping. Sourcing eco-friendly products isn't just about the products themselves. It's also about how they're packaged and shipped. You want to look for suppliers who offer minimal or recyclable packaging. You can also take extra steps like using compostable packaging, peanuts, recycled boxes, or reusable mailers are great examples. Also consider offering carbon neutral shipping or using a service that offsets carbon emissions associated with your shipping. How to market your sustainable dropshipping brand. Once you've sourced your eco-friendly products, it's time to market your brand effectively. Here are a few strategies you can keep in mind. Tell your sustainability story. Consumers want to know the story behind your products. Use your website, social media, and email marketing to share your brand's commitment to sustainability. Highlight the eco-friendly materials used and any positive environmental impact your products have had. Partner with eco-friendly influencers. Collaborating with influencers in the eco-conscious or sustainable lifestyle niches can help get the word out about your store. Look for influencers who share your brand values, who can help amplify your message to your eco-aware audience. Use eco-friendly labels. Now, it's important to make sure to display eco-friendly labels or badges on your website, such as 100% recycled or plastic-free packaging. This helps build trust and assures customers that they're buying from a sustainable brand. So to wrap up, sustainable dropshipping is not just a trend. It's a movement towards a more responsible business practice. By sourcing eco-friendly products, working with ethical suppliers, and embracing green marketing, you can create a dropshipping brand that's both profitable and environmentally conscious at the same time. So if you're ready to start your sustainable dropshipping journey, I encourage you to get started today. You're not just building a business, you're also helping create a more sustainable future. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment below. I'd love to hear what you're thinking as you incorporate this learning into your own sustainability e-commerce business. Thanks for watching.